listen carefully. Right now, I'm about to trade on Pocket Option using just $35. No guessing, no gambling. I'm using a powerful technical analysis tool designed to spot high probability entries with precision. Now watch this. I've already placed my trade based on the signals generated. No hesitation, no second guessing, just execution. And if you want access to this exact tool, check the description below. Now let's see the result. Stay focused, because this is where it gets interesting. To save time, I'm going to speed up this video. Focus on the movement. Focus on the precision of the entries. This is not luck. This is calculated. This is structured. Every position you see here is based on clear technical confirmation. No random clicks, no emotional trades, just pure strategy doing the work. And yes, as you can see right here, that's a profit. Clean, precise, no hesitation. This is exactly what happens when you follow a system that actually works. No emotions, no overthinking, just result. Now, I'm not stopping here. I'm going to continue trading and stack more wins. Stay with me, because this is where consistency is built.